Grade 7 CBSE Chapter 7 The Invention of Vita Wonk MCQ. First question. Vita Wonk makes people grow older. 87 means a man will arrive on earth after 87 years. Minus 87 means that before 87 years the man will appear. Here positive 87, so a man will arrive on earth after 87 years. The oldest living thing in the world is bristlecone pine. Fourth question. The oldest things that are mentioned are imaginary. It's not realistic, it's imaginary. Question number 5. Mr. Onka collects items from the oldest things to make a drug. In your book, there will be a mixture, there will be a word solution, there will be an experiment also, but it is like a medicine. So, Mr. Onka collect items from the oldest things to make a drug. Drug means medicine. The drug will not work as no one wishes to grow old. Seventh question. The life expectancy of man is 80 to 100 years. Eighth question. Mr. Onka took from bristlecone pine a pint of sap. Ninth question. Mr. Onka got from Arabia 51-year-old horse. 10th question. Mr. Onka got from Tibet 207-year-old rat. Find out one word from the above lines that is an antonym of expanding, shrinking. Question number 12. Find out one word from the above line that is antonym of smooth, uneven. What lives the longest of all the given below? A tree. The uniqueness. Question number 14. The uniqueness of the great glass elevator is that Mr. Wonk can travel around the world. Question number 15. The Arabian horse are distinct because they lived for 5 years. Question number 16. What is the new recipe he is searching for? Recipe of Vita Wonk. What is the oldest of all options? Bristlecone pine. What lives longer than anything else? Trees. Which part of the animal's body Mr. Onka didn't collect? Tongue or sting? Which of the following animals has not been mentioned by Mr. Onka? A blue whale. So first comprehension. So once again I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. This is the line given for you and the questions will be asked based on that. Question number 1. Willy Wonka's next challenge was the invention of Vita Wonk. Willy was not happy with Wonka Vita. Third question. The invention of Vita Wonk made people old. Second question, second paragraph. I tracked down very old and ancient animals and took an important little bit of something from each one of them. Willy Wonka had to take an important little bit of something from them. Second question. The track down process becomes speedier due to the great glass elevator. Question number 3. The wonder was possible if all the important little bit was mixed. Third paragraph. And thus, my dear Charlie, was Vita Wonk invented. The extract is addressed to Charlie. Question number 2. Vita Wonk was invented after great labor. Question number 3. Vita Wonk is a wonderful drug. Fourth paragraph. What is the oldest living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? Who is the speaker of these lines? Mr. Willy Wonka is the speaker of these lines. Why is he asking these questions? He is asking these questions as he is trying to invent a drug which can make people older than what they are. Question number 3. To whom he is speaking? He is speaking to himself. So fifth paragraph. I produced one tiny cup full of oily black liquid and gave 4 drops of it to a brave 20-year-old Oompa Loompa volunteer to see what had happened. Who is I in the passage? I in the passage refers to Mr. Willy Wonka. Second question. What is the name of the black liquid? It's Vita Wonk. Why is a volunteer called brave? Volunteer has offered himself for an experiment of a new drug. A new drug may be very dangerous for the body. So, he is rightly called brave. Thank you, children.